In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a lead magnet with Forento and SendFox. We built the landing page with the Forento web page builder and the form and automation with SendFox. In the end, it's going to look like this. Somebody fill in here the form, forget your lead magnet, your downloadable, and SendFox is going to collect these emails and also deliver the downloadable. We're going to start in SendFox to create first the list. I recommend for every downloadable, everything you do, you have a separate list for really you know what you're doing and you can change things easy. So you have the list, it's pretty easy. Then we go to the automation, create an automation to deliver this downloadable and maybe have a follow-up. I have other tutorial how to do that. I'm gonna link it on top of this video. Then the last part is we go to the growth part and we go to form. We create a form for your downloadable. Let me show you how this can look. Also, this is pretty easy. We have here the name, we have the list where this people can add to. Then we have here the redirect if you want to have a redirect, domains where you can use this form. You choose what to collect. Then this form gonna look like this. Then you click create form or update form. Then you have this code. Save this code into a notes app or something because we're gonna need this code later. So we have the form code and now we go to Forento. We go here to downloadables and we either create a downloadable or we choose one that we already have. Downloadable, it's pretty easy to create. You just need text description and upload a file or a link, depends what you're gonna provide to your targeted audience. I recommend use this access control and set it to free because you don't want to have it like double, because if you use here signed in, then somebody need to give you the email again to access this downloadable, and I think this is pretty annoying, to be honest. Now the downloadable should look something like this when it's created, and now you use this URL from this page, copy and paste it. You go back to your delivery email from your automation and you paste this email here into this button. So for example, somebody fill in the form, they get added to the list and to the automation, they get this email and click this button, go to your Forento Academy and download your downloadable. So now we have the delivery ready, but of course now we need to build the front end. We go back to Forento and this time we go to the website editor. If you click this button, should pop up your website editor. So I'm already in my landing page. I'm gonna show you how to get there. You click the dashboard button, you click pages, and I recommend you do that with secondary pages because main pages are like shown into the menu button. So secondary pages, click here the plus button on some place if you want, then go to, and then you're here. Just go here into the elements, some headings, some paragraph, create a text, like talk about what is your downloadable, what is your lead magnet about. And now the important part, we scroll all the way down and we use custom HTML and we're gonna drop and drag this here, and then it looks like this. You give it a name, the SendFox code we entered here. We click Embed code, and then when somebody, of course, don't forget to click publish. You're not gonna see it in your builder how it's gonna look, because as you can see here, you're only gonna see it when you're outside from the web page builder, and then it should look like this. If you're not happy with how this form look like in the end, I recommend you copy and paste your form code into ChatGPT or another AI, and also SendFox have like a help section where you can read how you're gonna change the codes. But of course, you don't want mess with your code. So what I did, I pasted my code, I pasted the help section into ChatGPT and told him, hey, I want to change this button to orange. And ChatGPT provided me with the correct code that my form looked like this. But that's it. It's not too complicated. If you have any questions, just drop me a comment and I'll try to help you. And of course, subscribe to don't miss out another video. Bye.